Welcome to the Homemaking and Gardening channel. To take a pause from the daily mundane hustle bustle of life, we decided to visit the Queen of Hills, Darjeeling this summer. What a great respite from burning heat waves of the plains of Kolkata. We reached Siliguri and started our journey towards the mountain on a shared Tata Sumo. On the way, we spotted many sprawling tea plantations. The beauty of the gateway to Northeast India did mesmerize us. As we entered the foothills of the Himalayas, on both sides of the very well maintained roads, we found lots of green trees, grasses, a thing that we miss much in the city. It was cloudy and raining. Rains in the mountains are a beauty to watch. We spotted beautiful streams, well decorated house of the locals, and all smiles of the hilly people. We saw the UNESCO heritage, the toy train of Darjeeling. As we reached Darjeeling, we first visited Gorkhaland Cultural Administrative Center. It has a beautiful garden and an idol of Ma Saraswati. Next, we started walking up the hills, paused a lot to rest in the many benches placed along the roadsides. The mountain was looking beautiful. The chilled weather, birds chirping, and the sound of bells and chanting from Mahakal Mandir just sidelined our exhaustion from the journey up hills. Finally, strolling ahead, we reached the Mall Chowrasta, the center of tourist attraction in Darjeeling mountain range. The British officials designed the city to enjoy the summers here as the weather was much like London. After independence, all the buildings were purchased by wealthy merchants of India. They turned into luxury hotels, shops, etc. You can also find a statue of Bhanu Bhakta Acharya, the great Nepali poet. The mall is a lively place with people singing, kids running, and tourists traveling on horses. You can sit with a cup of Darjeeling tea and enjoy the view from the highest place of the Darjeeling zone. Mall is well connected to other parts of Darjeeling mountain range. There are many markets like Mahakal Mall markets, etc., where you can find winter wear souvenirs at very reasonable price. Also, you can find the best street foods from the locals. Their momos are not to be missed. You find here Oxford House, a place for book lovers, goldentips tea outlets, Tibetan arts where you get antiques and spiritual items and collectibles as well. In the sides of the road you can find small tea shops selling teas and coffees, and you can also find out plant sellers and corn sellers.
You don't know me too. ये आपने एक लक्ष्मी का बन दिया।
Day 2 started again with the mall visit. The morning chilled weather of cloudy Darjeeling, flocks of pigeon and the view of mountain was mesmerizing. Then we paid a visit to the Mahakal Mandir, where Hinduism and Buddhism coexists peacefully. On top of the mountain you find lingas of the Hindu god trinity Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh and many other gods and goddesses are worshipped. The place is well decorated with colorful prayer flags, the chimes of the bells, the chirping of birds and the tall pine trees would raise your vibration. After puja, we went to do some paid puja in a restaurant at the edge of the hill where the view was breathtaking. A sharp division of bright sunny and dark cloudy side of mountains was visible. After resting in our hotel, we again went to the mall, enjoyed shopping. We got the breathtaking view of Night Mountain where it seemed pitch black at distance with lots of dim lights. The galaxy in the clear sky was acting like a blanket on us. Day 3, we walked down through the Chalk Bazaar to the Llyod Botanic Garden, which replicated the flora and fauna of Sikkim. Wildflowers, pines, the steep terrain, orchid greenhouse, cactus house, the tall shady trees, a pond and lots of fresh air and solitude are the gifts you get amidst the verdure mountain land. It is an intoxicating place with so much to absorb within.
চুপ চুপ কি করছো?
Next destination, Shrubbery Nightingale Park, around 1.5 km walk down the Mall Road. On top of the mountain, you find this green park where it's flat and you can sit down and catch breathtaking calm view of mountains. An idol of Lord Shiva, lots of beautiful plants are the attraction point here. Day 4 began with a heavy heart, as it was time to bid bye to the Queen of Hills, Darjeeling. We walked down the Mall Road towards Mall, and yes, as the sun was shining in its full glory, we see the distant Kanchenjunga range, sky blue, golden colored, the whole snow-covered peaks of the range, all standing in their glory and prominence. What a grand farewell it was, as quarter of the journey downhill it was present intermittently, whispering to us, "Do come back soon."
रोड ना रोडे लगे रोड तक ना छाया থাকে না
Hope you liked our Darjeeling diary. Would love to learn if you had been to Darjeeling before and your experiences there as well. Also, please point out if we have missed out on any of the green tourist spots in Darjeeling, which is a must visit for the nature lovers. Till then, take care. Bye bye.